Everyone meet Fudge. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I'm super excited for today's video because today I'm going to be doing a house tour. I honestly get asked to do a house tour at least once a day, so I'm super excited to show you guys. But before we get started, please check out my TikTok and my Pinterest down below. Also, I did change Chase's hair to brown in case you're wondering. Anyways, let's just get started with the house tour. Okay, so starting off, here's the entranceway, and hiding behind some bushes, I have this little rainmaker. The area is pretty basic. Anyways, then we have a heater and a garbage can. Then this is the study room. It's super cute. There's things like a computer, a newspaper. Then we have Buddy over here, which is a dog. We also have a basket of toys, which I'll show you in a moment. Then I do move the screen so you can see the top of the room. I really like the top of the room. I think it's really cute. Then moving on in the hallway, we just have this cute basic little area. Then on the other side, I'm not too proud of it, so comment down suggestions. Then the living room is ginormous, so there's a lot going on. Starting off, we have a TV with a fireplace, and then we have Piper, our dog, which has a basket of toys next to her as well. I also used a couple of the ladder ideas with hanging papers and stuff. Then here's the main living room area with some pillows and this cute little thing. Also, I forgot to say, please give credits if you do use my house. Also, sorry for any background noise. But carrying on, we have this cute little TV setup. On the top, I have two shelves. One has books and the other one has decor. Then I showed you guys these two CDs. I'm really happy that I was able to find them. One of them came in a winter house and the other came in a vending machine. Then moving along, we have Ren's room. For Ren's room, she just has this cute little board full of pictures and stuff. Then by her diaper changing table, she has some books, and then she has all sorts of stuff on the shelf. She also has blocks on the floor. Then there's a lot going on in this area, but it's all of her books and her baskets and things like that. Also, she does have her crib and her stuffies over there. Now, the bathroom did not change much from the last house tour. The same usual things are in the drawer, but I believe that this time I did add this stuff so you can see their teeth. But we also have the cute little robes and the toothbrushes and the toothpaste. The toothbrushes are from the mountain cabin. The toothpaste and the mouthwash are all from the dentist. Also, then we have some cute towels, and then we have all the skincare by the shower and the toilet. Also, I'm using the potato peeler as a razor. Anyways, then moving on to the outside on the second floor. There's this cute little chill area, and then we have this area full of snow, and it's very wintry. Probably by the time that I do another house tour, this area will no longer be here, so enjoy it. Anyways, then we have two more cute little entryways. I didn't do too much with them, I just think that they look really cute and simple. But yeah, I think that this area is just super simple and cute. Then moving along into my kitchen, we have a messy fridge. This area is also super simple to the winter house tour, but I really like the layout of it. In here, we just have some pots and pans. We also still have the cute towels because I'm in love with those. Anyways, I just cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. Then we have the kitchen table, and it has some lunch boxes and Ren's toy. Then carrying on to Paige's room. Paige is at college, so she does not have any clothes here. But there's a cute little desk area, and then she has her bed. Also, she did leave her record player because she couldn't fit it. Then moving on, she has some facial products, and she has her nail polish in this container. Then moving on to Oakley's room. Oakley insisted to have Fudge in there, so here's its enclosure. But anyways, everybody meet Fudge. Then in this wardrobe thing, she has all of her clothes. Yes, I know, Oakley has a lot of clothes. But anyways, on top she has her little iPad and a cactus. Then here's Oakley. She's sitting down on her chair, and then we have some bags. But anyways, here is her little crib area. It has tons of blankets, stuffed animals, and all that. Then on these two top shelves, she has some more clothes. These are her clothes she wears more often. Then one has decor and the other has stuffed animals. Then the last room of this modern mansion is my room. On the fireplace, one side is mine and one side is Chase's. We also have this cute little TV area with a shelf. Then over here is our cute little pajamas and things like that. Then we have a dog bed because things are coming soon. Then under this table we have all of our clothes, which is very messy. Anyways, I didn't change me and Chase's room much either. But there's also this really cute bed tray on our bed. Then there's also this really cute basket, which is really annoying. But anyways, like I said, the house didn't change too much. It was just mainly Christmas stuff that got changed. Okay guys, so that brings me to the end of today's video. So of course, before we end today's video, we're gonna do shoutouts. But anyway, shoutout goes to the person on the screen. If you want to follow them, their account is linked below. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me credits if you do use any of my house ideas because I worked extremely hard on this house. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have shown me recently. Also, stay tuned for next week's video because I think you guys are really gonna like it. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Bye everybody!